So now let us start creating a basic skirt. I'll zoom in the lower torso. Now, I can use a polygon tool, or else I can just start with a rectangle also. I'll just create a rectangle. Now, I'll edit the curvature now. I'll choose edit curvature and now select this. Just increase the curve of this a little bit. And now I'll again go to edit pattern. Now I can select the point and move it according to the paste size. Now I will move it a little bit. Okay, you can see here the fabric is little less, so I'll increase the curvature. Again, I'll move it. Okay, now there's one more thing. If you click on Shift F, there will be fit points. These are called as fitting points. So this pattern is being selected. So I'll decide where I need to place it. So if I place it at this point, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, now I'll just move it. Now it gives a fitting shape. Now if you have to off the fitting points, you just have to click on Shift F again, it goes. Now we'll continue the same method as we have used for the top, because this is a symmetric pattern. You can duplicate the pattern for the back and side. Now I'll just select the pattern, click on Ctrl D, it will duplicate the pattern, and just take this to the back side and place it, move it down, rotate it. Yeah, now it's done. So I have to do the stitching. So where we have to stitch now? Just the one side. So I'll click on shortcut N, segment sewing. I'll just click from here to here. So the stitching part is done. The other half needs to be created. What I'll do is, I'll just click and drag. You have to select this first tool, okay? Transform pattern. And then if you just click and drag, the pattern will get selected. Or else you can just click on one pattern, then click on Shift and hold the Shift key and then press with the other pattern. Either way you can select the patterns. Now I'll Ctrl C and Ctrl R. So the replica is created. Now I'll just move it a little bit so that it becomes easy for the software to simulate. Now let's stitch the front part. Again, there's this and this. Okay. Even the back part is stitched. Okay, now let's start simulating this. I'll click on space bar and just adjust it. Now let me adjust it by moving the fabric. So now this skirt is